Hi, we're here again at Discount Water Softeners with a quick tech video on how to program the Genesis Revolution upflow high efficiency water softener. This is a very quick video because the Genesis Revolution ships out to all of our customers already pre-programmed for all of the different parameters other than your water hardness and time of day. So before we start, a little quick tip. All of the buttons here on the side, these 4 buttons, do not need to be pushed in. They're actually just a grounded button. So once you just barely touch it, it registers with the system. So that being said, to go into the menu would be your first step. This follows along in your quick startup sheet that came with your manual. That is probably the easiest way to program your system. The manufacturer's manual covers a number of other things that really are already set for you by the manufacturer and do not need to be changed and really shouldn't be changed unless there's some extreme condition that you're dealing with. So that being said, we're going to get started here. By hitting the menu, you show all the different parameters that can be changed: date and time, hardness, manual regeneration, and then dealer information, which you can enter in if you want. Date and time, real simple. Hit menu, then set. Once the item is highlighted, you can then make a change up or down. Always making sure that you press the set to confirm. So the bottom left-hand corner is going to confirm your selection. So then your next setting would be your month, your year, your time, and then you're out of there. Going back to the menu again, the one that you're most concerned with obviously is hardness. Your hardness, whatever your water is coming in from your city supply, should be programmed into that hardness number. If you're on a private well, you're going to want to know if you have iron. If you do, you want to factor that in. So for every part per million of iron, you want to factor in 5 grains of capacity. So if your hardness were 15 grains of hardness and your iron was 1 part per million, you have what's called a compensated hardness of 20. You're going to add that 5 to the 15. You're going to up that to 20, and then hit your set button, which will then confirm that. The final thing in the programming of this system is your manual regeneration. If you want to regenerate that evening at the scheduled 2 a.m. time, then you would need to hit the set button, and it'll go ahead and time that out to go off at 2 a.m. If you want to do an immediate regeneration, obviously you go up and you highlight regenerate now, and that will allow your system to regenerate immediately. You're actually going to use that feature when you're rinsing the resin. That's again covered in your setup of your on your system on your quick startup sheet. You're going to want to rinse the resin off, and so you're going to need to do the regeneration now. So beyond that, there really isn't much else that you need to do. I just started a regeneration with this. You don't have to necessarily do that at the end, but that is something that you're going to do as part of your regeneration setup. So any other questions, you can always email us at support@discountwatersofteners.com. But please check through that quick startup guide, follow along with what covered, and there really isn't much else that needs to be done. It's pretty much push and play, and you're ready to go. All right, thanks so much. We appreciate your business, and if there's anything else we can do to help, our email again is support@discountwatersofteners.com. Thanks so much.